Welcome to Mike's Math. I'm going over the official October 2020 SAT test so I can get you ready for the SAT. Section 3, number 1. Tobias rented a kayak from a sports equipment store. For the rental, the store charged $60 per day plus $25 for delivery. If Tobias was charged a total of $325, how many days did he rent the kayak? So we had a total of 325 equals 60. We don't know how many days. We're going to put an X plus 25 delivery charge. So minus 25 on both sides. So it'll be 300 equals 60x divided by 60 on both sides. So x equals 5. The answer is B. Number 2, 2x y squared plus 3x minus 4 plus 3x y squared minus 8x plus 4. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? So we're going to combine the like terms. 3x minus 8x minus 4 plus 4. This cancels out. It will be 5x y squared minus 5x. So the answer is A. Number 3. The function f is defined by fx equals 3 to the x power. What's the value of f2? f2 will be 3 to the second power equals 9. So the answer is D, 9. Number 4. The graph of f is shown according to graph. What's the value of FO? From the graph here, we know the value is going to be negative 8, so the answer is negative 8, B. Number 5. H parenthesis x equals negative 4 times parenthesis x minus 1 plus 2. The function h is defined above. For what value of x is h parenthesis x equals negative 2? So we have negative 2 equals negative 4 x minus 1 plus 2. So we use distributive properties. Will be negative 4x plus 4 plus 6 equals negative 4x plus 10 minus 2 on both sides minus 6 on both sides. So negative 4x equals negative 8, x equals 2. The answer is D. Number 6. C equals 5 over 9 parentheses r minus 491.67. This is called changing equation to be equivalent. So we multiply 9 over 5 on both sides. Cancel this out. Then plus 491.67. So the answer will be 9 over 5 C plus 491.67. Answer is A. Number 7. A geographer found the land area of Aruba is 75 miles and the land area of Bermuda is 19 miles. The equation is 75x plus 19y equals t to estimate the total number of residents t of the two islands. Which is the best interpretation of x in this context? In order to find, we know the 75 is a mile, so we need a population density, so the answer will be D, the population density in residents per square mile of Aruba times the population density by land area. So we will find the answer. So the answer is D. Number 8. X squared minus 12x plus 35 equals 0. What's the sum? So we need to find the two factors and then plus them together. So x squared, you factor them out. 5 times 7 is 35. So x equals 5, x equals 7. So the answer will be 5 plus 7 will be 12. So answer is C. Number 9. In the right triangle ABC above, sine x degree equals 5 over 8. What's the value of cosine y degree? We know the sine x equals cosine y, so the answer is going to be C because they are the same answers, 5 over 8. Number 10. In the XY plane, if point F, not shown here, is placed so that the triangle ABC is similar to triangle DFE, which of the following could be the coordinate of point F? Using the distance, using 2 points here, we figure out AC equals 2 minus 1 square plus 4 minus 1 square equals square root 10. And for the D equals negative 4 minus 2 square plus 8 minus 2 square, negative 4 minus 2 minus negative will be make positive will be, so 4 plus 8 minus 2 is 6 plus 2 is 36 equals square root of 40. Let's square root of 2 out. So we know the distance of the second triangle DEF is twice as bigger as the ABC. Now let's see here, using the points they give to us, let's draw it. Try 3 and 6. 3 and 6 obviously is over here. That's not going to make a triangle that's similar. So A is wrong. And C, 6 and negative 7. 6 and negative 7. So 6 and negative 7 is probably going to be the very possible, but we're going to use the 4 and negative 10 as the answer. Number 11, y equals x plus 3, 2x minus y equals 0. So x equals 3 and y equals 3 plus 3 equals 6. Number 12, a parenthesis t equals 50 and to the t's exponent. So in here, the function AT models the number of liters of a fluid in the tank after t hours, which the following models the number of liters of fluid in the tank after m minutes. We know change the m divided by 60 will make it a t, so we're going to use this one to substitute. So the answer is going to be a to the parenthesis m equals 50 times 2 to the m divided by 6. Number 13, 3x plus t plus 8 equals kx plus 8. In the given equation, k is a constant. In the equation has exactly one solution, which the following could not be the value of k. So 8 and cancels out. So k has to be 3 to make it has no solutions, because that means they're going to be anything, can be anything. All right. Number 14. How many solutions does the equation x and x minus 4 equals x minus 1 plus x plus 1 have? So let's see here, x squared equals x1 times x plus 1. So x squared minus 4x equals x squared minus 1. So x out, so x equals 1/4, so only 1. Number 15, 2 n divided by 2 times square root of 3n. This 2 to the n to the second power equals square root 2 to the second power and n times square root of 3 to the nth power. So we're going to have 2 times 2 is 4, so times 3 is 12. 12 to the second power over n. So the answer is going to be D. Number 16. We have a function x, y. X is always 2. Several values of x and their corresponding value y are shown in the table. A linear equation that represents the relationship shown in the table x equals k, where k is also constant. What's the value of k? Look at this function here from the table. X is always 2 and x equals k, so k has to be 2. Number 17. If 12x plus 6 equals 4x plus 8, what's the value of x? We're going to minus 4x on both sides, minus 6 on both sides. So 8x equals 2 divided by 8 on both sides. X equals 1/4. 1/4. Number 18. In the figure triangle ABC and DBE are right triangle, what's the cosine B? Cosine B is going to be 6 over 10 equals 0.6t or 3 over 5. You can divide by 2 on both sides, so 3 over 5. Number 19. A system of two linear equations have no solutions, that means they're parallel. The graph of one of the equations in the system is shown in the xy plane. The second equation in the system is we have ax minus y equals 1. So a is the slope we're looking for. From the data we have given, we'll be using slope equals y2 minus y1 divided by x1, x2 minus x1. So it'll be 5, 0 minus negative 4 will be 4. So the answer is 5 over 4. Number 20. We have a function here, 0, 1, 2, 9, 12, 16. For the exponential function f, the table shows some value of x and the corresponding value of function fx. The function can be written in the form of fx parentheses equals prx, where p and r are constant. What's the value of r? So let's put these numbers in here. When x equals 0, y equals 9. So y, 9 equals p times r to the 0th power. Anything to the 0th power is always 1. So this is p times 1 equals 9. So p equals 9. So we have the function become fx equals 9 rx. Now we're going to put the second order pair in. So 12 equals 9 times 1 to the x. So r over 1. So r equals 12 divided by 9 equals divided by 3 on both numbers. So 4 over 3. So we have 4 over 3. If you're changing decimals, 4 divided by 3, 1.3, remainder 3, so 1.33. So I'm done with section 3. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. Thank you.